Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. And today, I am going to be taking you behind the scenes of a car shoot today. I will be doing a car shoot for the Maserati 2008 Maserati Grand Lusso, and we will be doing that today. And I'm also will be doing the Range Rover Sport 2019 car review, TikToks, Instagram, all that good jazz. So I'm just going to take you behind the scenes, and we're just going to see how the day goes. This is the vlog for today. Elevator. So see you in a minute. So right now we're in the elevator. We're going to go to Starbucks, chill for a minute until everything is ready, and we're going to hang out, maybe see my boy and kid later. But yeah, should be a pretty interesting vlog. Just shows you how the process goes behind the scenes of, you know, doing car reviews and talking to the dealers and stuff of that nature. So hopefully you get to see all of that good stuff, and you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. I actually like this mirror. I got a mirror on here so I can see what's going on. So I got the camera back to me, and it's really not bad at all. I actually like it a lot. Yeah, so I'm in downtown Royal Oak for the moment, and we are just going to hang out at Starbucks for like a couple hours, do some more research and stuff until it's time to go shoot. All right, so I'll see you guys momentarily. Alright, so now we're about to head to the dealership, get ready to shoot, and yeah, just, you know, see what happens. I hope I got the right floor, because I am definitely good for not picking the right floor, which I think I did. Oh, I did. I picked the right floor. Alright, so we about to get in the car, head over to the dealership, and, you know, make it happen. All right, so I stopped at Dunkin's, you know, to bless my man. It's not much, but, you know, something is better than nothing. It's just to thank you for letting me do the review. So at least I can do is get him a little something, you know. So I'll try to do this often, you know, give people stuff. So we got the Dunkin' with the apple juice, so hopefully he appreciates it. It's a small thank you. And let's get over there so we can shoot this car review for you guys. And I'll see you when I get there. This one is niggas moving that car. Ugh.
Oh, and two, you can actually bring your car, and you, because that's not a parking spot. You're good, bro. You can bring your car and you can put it like right next to mine right here.
Oh yeah.
Put the car like right here, like right in front of that gate or right in front of that bush, cornered.
Yeah. Yeah. Either one. It don't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I just want to give you room.
Yeah. I mean, worst case scenario, we can move it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing is crazy. This thing is ridiculous. Woo. So this is the goodness gracious. This is crazy. The quad exhaust. Alright, so I'm about to move my car because this is not a parking spot. Alright, vlog. So we have the car here set up. We're going to do a review in a minute. I think I'm going to shoot some TikTok and Instagram videos. But here it is, the Grand Lusso, 4-door, 5-seater sedan. It's a beauty. Quad exhaust, blue metallic paint. Yeah, you know, you got the iconic badge. If you don't know, now you know. SQ4 Ghibli, Maserati of Troy. Thank you again. But yeah, so this is part of the vlog. You see, I just talked to my guy. They really cool over here. You know, you guys should come check it out and all that. If you ever got some free time, just come. You know, walk around. They love when people just come and look around and, you know, hang out, say hi, and all that good jazz. As long as you ain't tearing up the cars and banging on the doors and all that weird stuff. But more than welcome to come and just check out the cars, man, because cars are, you know, just some cool things to look at. So they see nothing wrong with it. Of course, they're a dealership, so on top of that, they want the attention. So, you know, they are welcoming to people to come check out the cars, as long as you don't tear them up and bang on them and all that weird stuff. But yeah, so I'm about to get into some videos, and that's what it's about to be. Okay, so far as my setup goes, as of right now, since I have nothing but just my iPhone, that's what I'm using. My camera will be here soon, but I'm using my iPhone. My mic actually broke, so go figures, but that doesn't stop the show. So we're going to use the mic on the iPhone for now until the mic is fixed again. So right now I have my phone, which I be using my iPhone, but that's just a prop phone. My iPhone, the car, and then me. And I'm just gonna make it do what it do. Like, you gotta just make it work. Like, you don't need all the fancy equipment. Your iPhone is good enough. It shoots in 4K. It shoots in 1080p. So you don't even need all that fancy stuff like you think you do. You can just use your iPhone for now until you get your camera, and then just make it work. That's what I'm doing, just making it work. So this is the setup for right now. And then, yeah, that's what it is, because the grind don't stop. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing another review, and the review today will be this Maserati QS4 Ghibli Grand Lusso. Now we're going to be doing a review on this sedan today, and it's a beautiful one. Now, it's not the newest model, but it's a 2018. It still looks like the new model, and it still looks pretty good, if I'm gonna say so myself. So this car got a couple cool features that I'm gonna get into, and we're just gonna rock the show like that, because if you don't know, now you know. So this is a 2018 model, and yeah, it looks good for my shit. Okay, so now you can see that we have the traditional grille. You have the traditional look of the Maserati, which I must say I really like a lot. I've liked this look for a long time. Now you can see all this active air intake and this Trident logo, this big Trident logo, and it also has the front-facing camera, which I like for a lot of cars. I thought this was a really good idea. In the future, that most cars should have front-facing cameras. I think this will save a lot of people in the future. You also have the signature badge that we all know and love from Maserati. Then come over here, we have the Maserati daytime running lights and the ambient tail light on the side. So, and you also have these parking sensors all around the car to make sure that the car, detects all the hits and getting hit and all that good stuff. You gotta love it, Maserati. And so that's how I do a car review. There's the Ghibli, the Maserati, and yeah, that's just how I do it. Figure it out along the way. Sometimes it's perfect, sometimes it's not. You just make it work because the grind don't stop. And understand, like, it's okay to be nervous for your first one or two or three. You